Feeling that afternoon slump? There's a sunnah for that. Let's talk about Qaylula, the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ's practice of a midday rest. It's a forgotten sunnah with amazing benefits. Need a quick boost? Try the power nap. Set your alarm for 20 to 40 minutes, find a quiet spot, and let go. Even if you can't fully doze off, just closing your eyes and resting for a few minutes can be so restorative. The Holy Prophet ﷺ encouraged taking a break. Science also shows that even a few minutes of rest can lower stress hormones and improve focus. The Qaylula is a simple yet powerful sunnah that can benefit us physically and mentally. By following the Holy Prophet's example, we can find peace and blessings in our daily lives.